Actually, I'm trained as a physicist, but since my master's studies, I've been working in data science, which essentially means that I develop mathematical and computational methods and algorithms to understand really massive data sets that have billions of lines that would crash a traditional laptop if you try to open it. I happen to focus on biological and medical data sets. So I'm trying to understand this really overwhelming amount of genomic data. So, for example, in cancer research, I developed a software that can detect the differences of the DNAs in different samples. And it does this about 100 times faster than previous tools. And it's very important to investigate these genomic fingerprints because they can help predict how different patients can respond to different treatments. I'm also active in aging research, so I develop epigenetic clocks, which are essentially mathematical models that can look at your DNA and estimate your biological age. So if your biological age is, for example, much higher than your actual chronological age, that can be a very important information because then you might be more likely to develop age-related diseases. So prevention becomes really important in these cases. I'm also involved in various genomic surveillance projects for public health. For example, during the COVID pandemic, I analyzed more than 2 million viral genomes so that I could recover really rare events. For example, when people get infected by 2 different viral strains at the same time. Well, both of my parents worked in research, so I grew up in an environment when we constantly asked questions and formulated hypotheses and tested them and then refined our understanding. So this scientific way of thinking was just how I knew the world. So I think it was kind of natural that I ended up also becoming a researcher. It's really rewarding to work on something that I know can have a direct effect on the lives of the patients, which I think it's a really good goal to work towards. The technological development is really fast these days, especially in biology. I think in a sense we are just now starting to work on this field, and that's really, really motivating.